Hi, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best and craziest psychology hacks to get your crush to like you. Get your rose quartz crystal. I'm kidding, this is not magic. It's like psychology and like subconscious stuff. So make sure to stick around for the last hack because that one I think by far is the most important principle. We're gonna start out with the weirdest one that I know and also a subconscious hack. So listen to me. People are perceived as more attractive with their head slightly tilted. Like if you tilt your head a bit to the side when talking to someone, and I'm saying just a bit, this will make you perceived as more attractive because it subconsciously implies trust. The next weirdly crazy psychology hack to get your crush to like you is to not be afraid to mess up. Here's why. So we as people are more drawn towards people who are on a relatable side rather than the perfect side. So when you mess up, it shows that you're normal, you're just like everyone else, and it actually makes us more attractive. Scent can actually influence how attractive you're viewed by other people. These scents differ from guys to girls, but some aphrodisiac scents that I know are pumpkin, obviously vanilla, musk, black pepper, and lavender. So scent can be a really powerful tool to make someone more attracted to you. The next hack is to make someone feel good. Now before you click out, hear me out. This is some like classical conditioning. Okay, if you make someone feel good and happy every single time you interact through your interaction, that happy feeling will be associated with you, so they're gonna like you more because we like the things that make us happy. Here are a few really cool psychology hacks that you can use to do that. Think about the compliments that that person doesn't get that much, but that they would appreciate. Here's something. So I'm like so reluctant to say that I'm pretty. I get a lot of compliments about my appearance, so that is nothing really special to me. But if someone compliments me on my painting, if someone compliments me on my writing or on my personality, the compliment about something that the person loves will weigh so much more than the compliment that they usually get. The next one that I have is one of my favorite hacks ever. It is the chameleon effect. When we mimic someone's movements, we're creating a subconscious bond between us. That makes the person connected and in sync with you, which on a subconscious level makes them like you more. The next hack is also pretty cool and I have several ways to do this. This hack is to make someone feel special. If the situation is appropriate, you can whisper something to them because whispering is usually associated with sharing a secret. The second way that you can do this is by sharing something that is kind of like a secret with them. Just make sure it's not too extreme. Make it something silly like,
my middle name is Bertha.
But make sure to imply that you don't say it to anyone else and you're just sharing that with them. Okay, so this next one is another subconscious hack, which is, if you can, use touch to your advantage. If you can like playfully touch the person's shoulder or like, you know, shove them when they make a stupid joke. Touch releases a hormone called oxytocin, which bonds people together. The next hack I feel like is so cool. It is the cheerleader effect. The cheerleader effect is a cognitive bias, which just means that it's a tendency of us to perceive people as more attractive when they are within a group. How can you use the cheerleader effect to your advantage? Well, you can post more pictures of you with your group of friends on your Instagram doing some fun activity. You can make sure that when you're around your crush, you can hang around with your group of friends and just be fun, but at the same time make sure to sometimes stand alone so the person will have the opportunity to approach you still. Now a very important concept that is, we as people tend to want things that are wanted by other people. Think about why we always like celebrities that like 1,000 other fangirls like, or why people tend to have crushes on the popular people in high school. It's because that desirability that is around them makes us more attracted to them. So how can you use that to make your crush more attracted to you? Have one of your friends go get you and just take you away from your crush when you're talking to your crush. This is going to show that that like there are people who really need your attention. I'm gonna make a whole other video on this topic because I can't really come up right now on the spot with exactly how to do this, but I hope you liked all the other hacks in this video and I hope they helped. Thank you guys so much for 100,000. I don't even know how to express it in words. Your comments literally make my day. So if you guys want more from this, you can check out my whole thrush playlist, which is gonna be linked right here. You can check out my previous video, which is on confidence, which is one of the most crucial things. And if you want to, you can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I love you guys so much. I can't reach the camera.